Welcome to our ultimate guide to meal prep for weight loss. If you're tired of struggling to eat healthily and lose weight, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to meal prep like a pro, so you can save time, money, and calories while achieving your weight loss goals. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced meal prepper, we've got tips and tricks that will help you succeed. So, let's get started.
Plan your meals in advance.
The first step to successful meal prep for weight loss is planning. Take some time each week to sit down and plan out your meals for the upcoming days. Consider your schedule, your dietary needs, and your personal preferences when choosing recipes and deciding on portion sizes. If you're not sure where to start, there are many meal planning apps and websites that can help you create a customized meal plan based on your goals and preferences.
Shop strategically.
Once you have your meal plan in place, it's time to hit the grocery store. But don't just grab whatever looks good, shop strategically. Make a list of the ingredients you need for your meals and stick to it.
Avoid buying processed and high-calorie snacks and instead opt for whole foods,
like fruits, vegetables,
lean proteins,
and complex carbohydrates. Don't forget to take advantage of sales and coupons to save money on your groceries. Cook in bulk. Meal prep for weight loss is all about efficiency, and cooking in bulk is a great way to save time and energy. Choose 1 or 2 days each week to cook a large batch of your favorite meals and divide them into individual portions. This way, you'll have healthy, ready-to-eat meals on hand whenever you need them. You can also freeze your meals for later use or store them in the fridge for up to a week. Use the right containers. When it comes to meal prep for weight loss, the right containers can make all the difference. Choose containers that are the right size for your meals and that are easy to stack and store. Glass containers are a great option because they're microwave safe and don't contain any harmful chemicals. You can also use reusable silicone bags for snacks and sandwiches. Stay organized. Finally, staying organized is key to successful meal prep for weight loss. Keep your fridge and pantry organized so you can easily find what you need. Label your containers with the date and contents so you don't forget what's inside. And don't forget to clean up as you go. Washing dishes and wiping down surfaces will make meal prep feel less overwhelming. Thanks for watching our ultimate guide to meal prep for weight loss. We hope you found these tips and tricks helpful and that you're feeling motivated to start meal prepping. Remember, meal prep doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a little planning and organization, you can achieve your weight loss goals and eat healthily without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.